Hi friends, this is the Vanda hybrid. This one also Vanda hybrid. Today I will show you this one also Vanda hybrid. I will upload few orchids, almost 50 orchids. This is most beautiful orchid, Vanda hybrid also. This is a conservatory, Phalaenopsis. This is a Catalia hybrid. This is also mini Vanda hybrid. It's a Vanda also. This is a Vanda also. It's a Kultana fragrance crossbreed. It's a very strong fragrance. This is a Phalaenopsis Shirin Chanquat. This is the Mokara hybrid, free flowering. It's a good for cut flower. This is the Vanda hybrid. It's a very bright orange. This is also Vanda hybrid. Vanda have a huge variety. So this is a Babophyllum, Lion King. And this is this is a Sherry Baby, Oncidium family. It's Oncidium family. This is Dendrobium, Black Magic hybrid. Dendrobium Black Magic hybrid. This is also Oncidium family. It's a very bright with the chocolate dot mark. This is a Rhinanthera calcium. It's a Rhinanthera hybrid. It's a orange and yellow combination and very free flowering. It's like a huge flower together blooming. So this is another Vanda hybrid also. This is it's called mini Vanda hybrid, Vanda mini. This is also Vanda hybrid. This is Vanda Hiroshima cross with Philippinensis. It's a very nice color combination. Free flowering also. This is a Vanda hybrid also. Another Vanda hybrid. It's got very strong fragrance. This is Oncidium family. Oncidium hybrid. So Oncidium. This is also Vanda hybrid. It's like a very big Vanda flower. It's free flowering also and got a strong fragrance. This is a Catalia hybrid. This Catalia are very free flowering. It's easy to grow. Every time got flower. This is also Vanda hybrid. This is a very big Vanda. This Vanda leaves are very sharp. This is a Phalaenopsis hybrid. Another Phalaenopsis hybrid. This is a crossbreed with like a conservatory. This is a Catalia hybrid. It's called Brasso Catalia. It's like how to say, mm, lemon yellow color. So this is another Catalia hybrid. This is Catalia cintellales. Oh, this is another Banda hybrid. Is Banda philippinensis. Wow, this is Catalia hybrid. It's very beautiful, and this Catalia got a fragrance. This was also Catalia hybrid, pink, white and yellow color combination. Look at the nose of the flower. This is another Catalia hybrid. It's like this Catalia are blooming together. This one bird have this one also Catalia hybrid. This is a crossbreed with Brasso Catalia. This is also Catalia hybrid. Very nice color combination. It's a beautiful orchid. Another Catalia hybrid. Look at the flower. Different varieties, but same hybrid. Same hybrid. This is a Catalia hybrid also. My hands are keep moving on top of the flower. It's actually it's the very shining color, but camera couldn't catch the color. This is another Catalia hybrid. This flower is not so long, it's short. This is a mini phalaenopsis. Mini phalaenopsis. Look at the flower. Very, very small. Very small. This is phalaenopsis hybrid. The flower keep blooming together. It's every time got flower. Never stop. Almost every month. This is also phalaenopsis hybrid. Look at the leaves. Plants are very healthy also. This is another phalaenopsis. Look at the plants also. This phalaenopsis I planted with the pakis, and I planted this also Banda hybrid, but it's a crossbreed with Bangkok Sunset. Bangkok Sunset crossbreed. It's a very beautiful. It's a mini Banda. This one also Suranari blue. Banda hybrid also. Banda hybrid. This one also Banda, but it's a very large, very big Banda. This Banda are very free flowering and very strong fragrance. Wow, this is a conservative Phalaenopsis conservative rate. This flower is not so much strong fragrance. Wow, this is a Banda hybrid. Very, very strong fragrance. You can get the fragrance from 5 meters away. Wow, this is a Phalaenopsis connoisseur yellow. Not much strong fragrance, but the flower can stay longer. Wow, this is Cattleya hybrid. Very nice color combination. Yellow nose, and the face is the pink. This is Epidendrum. Epidendrum have the huge variety. This orchid has no. This is a Phalaenopsis hybrid. This Phalaenopsis crossed with the connoisseur raid. Free flowering. This is Pinalia viria species. It's a very free flower. They are come flower together so much. They're blooming together. This is a Vanda hybrid. It looks like a Phalaenopsis. No, but it's Phoenix. This is a Vanda hybrid also. This flower are planted in the sawdust. This is a mini Vanda hybrid. These plants are planted in the sawdust also. You can plant in the charcoal. You can hang without any media, but you need to water. This is a Vanda hybrid also. This is another Vanda hybrid. Flower blooming together. This flower you can grow with the charcoal is better. This is the Mocha hybrid. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will upload about orchid tutorial, how to care, how to water, how to fertilizer. See you again.